As it is evident that 2020 is a year of ups and downs, stock market has seen many wonders this year. Due to COVID, the markets has almost fell 40% in March. We have seen a bull trend and a bear trend in very short spans. Now, this week's topic is all about IPOs, and here we are going to figure out why 2020 is the best year to raise an IPO. Companies raised more than 31,000 crore rupees through IPOs in 2020, and we feel that 2021 might be another year of IPOs. Some notable names that could see IPOs in 2021 are LIC, Kalyan Jewellers, Grofers, Barbecue Nation, NSE, and Railtel. Initial public offering IPO is a process in which a private company or a corporation can become public by selling a portion of its stake to the investors. Why do companies raise IPOs? Point number 1, to infuse the new capital into the company to grow the business. Point number 2, to raise the new capital for the future. Point number 3, to monetize the existing shareholders. Here is the list of the companies that raised IPO this year. UTI Assessment Company, Angel Broking, SBI Cards and Payments, Equitas Small Finance Bank, Mindspace Business Parks, Chemcon Specialty Chemicals, Likita Infrastructure, Computer Age Management Services, Mazagon Dock Ship Builders, Gland Pharma, Mrs. Bector's Food Specialities, Happiest Mind Technologies, Rosen Biotech, Burger King India, and Root Mobile. Now let's check out the top 4 companies which turned out to be the best IPO investments so far in this year. The fourth in our list is Happiest Mind Technologies. It is one of the most successful IPOs of the decade. The digital transformation company has founded in 2011. With only 2,600 employees, it has presence in US, UK, India, Singapore, and Australia. The third in our list is Rossari Biotech. The Rossari Biotech was founded in 2003 as a chemical manufacturing company with a special focus on specialty chemicals. Their products are used in pharmaceuticals, textiles, animal health, and nutrition. The third in our list is Burger King India. Burger King is one of the fastest growing food chains in India. The issue size of the IPO is 796 crore rupees and the issue price of the stock is 60 rupees. And now the stock is trading at 175 rupees, which is a 191% returns. And the stock went as high as 213 rupees on 17th December 2020. And our top performer of the year is Root Mobiles. The Root Mobiles is a cloud communication platform as a service company in India. In 2019, the company was named among the fastest growing companies in technology and telecom sector. To grow further in fast moving technologies and telecom sector, this company aspires to be the pioneer in 5G too. That's it for the week. Tell us what we missed in the comment section. See you again next Sunday. Until then, happy investing.